Imagine hitting the open road without a single drop of fuel, no engine noise, and no need to search for a campsite because your ride is your home. Today, we're diving into something that looks straight out of the future but is here right now, the 2025 electric tricycle camper. This isn't just another quirky vehicle, it's a whole lifestyle on 3 wheels, and I promise you, by the end of this review, you might just be ready to trade your car keys for one. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know this machine is different. Sleek curves, aerodynamic design, and a compact frame that somehow hides an entire living space, it's the perfect blend of minimalism and innovation. It runs entirely on electric power, meaning zero emissions and virtually no running costs. You plug it in, charge it up, and you're ready to go anywhere, whether that's the bustling streets of the city or a quiet lakeside spot miles from the nearest town. The first thing you'll notice when riding it is the smooth, almost silent motion. No rumbling, no vibration, just the faint hum of the electric motor. And here's the magic. Despite being a trike, it feels stable even on sharp turns, thanks to its low center of gravity and perfectly balanced frame. With a top speed that's perfect for both urban cruising and country road adventures, it's safe yet exciting to drive. Now, the real wow factor is when you step inside. The cabin might be small, but it's incredibly well designed. The seating doubles as a bed, the walls hide clever storage compartments, and there's even a compact kitchenette with a sink, induction cooktop, and mini fridge, all powered by the same battery that drives the trike. Solar panels on the roof keep your energy topped up when you're off-grid, so you're not tied to any charging station if you plan your trip smartly. The lighting inside is soft and warm, making it feel cozy and inviting after a long day of exploring. You can sit by the built-in table, open the panoramic side windows, and enjoy a sunset dinner with a view that changes every single night. It's like carrying your own tiny hotel room wherever you go. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. The 2025 electric tricycle camper comes with advanced braking systems, traction control, and even a rear-view camera, which is a lifesaver when navigating tight spots. It's built for solo travelers, couples, or anyone who's ever dreamed of just packing up and disappearing for a while without the stress of fuel costs or hotel bookings. What makes this camper so special is how it blends freedom, sustainability, and simplicity. It's not about rushing to a destination, it's about making the journey the destination. Whether you want to explore hidden roads, escape into nature, or just enjoy a slower pace of life, this trike makes it possible.